नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम और अपने सभी साथियों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, 20 मार्च 25 एमसी मिला केस जो कोर्ट में सुनवाई नहीं हो पाई, उसके बाद से कुछ गहमागहमी है और ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे पेंशन साथी, हमारे पेंशन एक्टिविस्ट, हमारे AIBPRC, राइज वकील, हमारे जो डीलिंग सेवाराम जी, सब लोग बड़े चुस्त दुरुस्त हैं कि कम से कम इस केस का कंक्लूजन हो वो बैंक रिटायरीज के हित में हो, और इसीलिए सारे लोग इसमें बहुत ही एक्टिव हैं। इस संबंध में श्री KB आचार्य जी, AIBPRC राइज का, उन्होंने एक मैसेज शेयर किया है। हाउएवर, आई विश ऑल ऑफ अस should be very careful in giving our individual observations in the matters, as the petition's appeal is in a very advanced and the crucial stage. Let us refrain, wait with little more patience for justice through the judicial system. We as RIGE, AIBPRC have taken the right and the proper initiative. Government pensioners and RBI pensioners are also getting pension as second benefit only. Yes, government pension is on central government budgetary provision, whereas RBI and bank pension is out of the pension fund created out of pensioners surrendered CPF, and any shortfall has to be provided by the banks by charging to the revenue account, profit and loss account of the bank as per the actuarial estimation every year, and it is statutory obligation on the part of the banks. After charging to the profit and loss account the required provision for pension, as in the case of NPA provisions, then only the bank should declare profit or loss. Provision for pension is a statutory obligation of the banks and should have precedence over NPA provisions, which is only as per regulators' RBI guidelines. There is a thorough misconception that pension is created out of profits of the banks. Further, Regulation 56 clearly directs that any doubt in regard to implementation of pension scheme in banks, reference should be made to the central government employees pension rules. Updation formulas are the same as applied to government pensioners and RBI pensioner, and so far bank pensioner also. Bank pension scheme and RBI pension scheme and government pension scheme are defined benefit pension scheme known as old pension scheme for all those who are recruited till April 2010, in government 2004, unlike the defined contribution scheme known as new pension scheme for those who recruited after April 2010. However, I wish all of us should be very careful in giving our individual observation. With warm greetings, आचार्य जी ने का एक मैसेज जो वाकई कि हमें फिलहाल पेशेंस रखना होगा और अपने ऑब्जर्वेशंस को माइन्यूटली ही देखना होगा, ताकि जो हमारा केस है वो एक क्रिटिकल स्टेज में आ चुका है और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि बैंक रिटायरीज के हित में जजमेंट होना चाहिए। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।